Hey guys, my name is Emil and you're watching Techno Right. What's going on guys, welcome to Techno Right. Technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to fix the restart Steam error for Elden Ring. So it's a very simple process to fix it, and let's get straight into it. So the error is basically when you click on library and you want to launch the game, it prompts you with the restart Steam error. So you have to restart Steam and it just keeps on looping back and you don't have any way to fix it. So to fix it, you're going to try to launch Elden Ring and it will prompt you to restart. You're going to restart Steam. So once you have restarted Steam, you're going to click on Steam here, check for Steam client updates, and it will check for updates. Okay, I'm 90% sure that you will have an update to update your Steam. So once you have updated Steam, close this and then restart your Steam and then open Steam back and you can run Elden Ring. So that's about it guys for today's video. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe. And I'm out.